Greetings all. This is Commander P of the Interplanetary Math Forces. Math, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the math ship Enterprise. Captain K, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to explore new math concepts, to seek out new sums and new ways of organizing data, and to boldly go to new math planets. Hello, Captain K. I now need you to go to Planet McPlanet Face in the Boti solar system, and I would like you to discover more about missing number addition. Come back and tell me everything that you now know.
Captain's log. I am visiting yet another math planet. The aliens here seem very friendly. I need to learn from them to recognize that the ones digit in a number does not change whether a multiple of 10 is added or subtracted. That seems very familiar. I should also be able to move down a column on my number square to add multiples of 10 and move up on my number square to subtract multiples of 10. That seems logical. I also need to be able to identify missing numbers in a sum other than the answer. Very, very interesting. Let me go and see what I can find out. All right, Space Cadets. I have returned from the surface of the planet with new information regarding finding missing numbers in addition sums. Before I make my report to Commander P, I shall be giving to you the information that I have learned. But first, we must revise some things that we should already know. First, what is a multiple of 10? Good. A multiple of 10 is any number that is 10 times larger than another number. How can you spot a multiple of 10? Excellent. The best way to spot if a number is a multiple of 10 is to see whether or not it finishes with a 0. Well done. Now, we usually work out the answers to sums and write the answer after the equal sign. Today, we are going to work out missing numbers that are before the equal sum before the equals sign in addition sums. The missing number is not going to be the answer. It is going to be one of the other numbers in the sum. Now, we have done these before. However, many of you found them quite tricky. So, we best practice them again. All right, Space Cadets. I hope you are ready. Take a look at this sum. 24 plus something equals 54. How might we be able to work out the missing number? Well, if we mark 24 and 54 on the number square, we notice that they are right underneath each other. That tells us that the missing number is a multiple of 10. Which multiple of 10 is it? Well, we've marked 24 and 54 on the number square. So now all we need to do is count in tens, and that will tell us which multiple of 10 is missing in the sum. So from 24 to 54, we count 10, 20, 30. So 24 plus 30 is 54. Now, take a look at this sum. Something plus 50 is 68. What do you think is the best way to work out this sum? No, we're not going to mark 50 and 68 on our number squares. We don't need to. 50 is a multiple of 10. Now, when we are adding multiples of 10, we need to go down the number square. We know that. So, something plus 50 is 68. So to find the answer, we need to do the opposite. We're only going to mark 68 on our number square. If we had to go down to 68 to find the answer to a regular plus, because we're adding a multiple of 10, to find the missing number now, we need to go up the number square. 5 spaces, that's right, because we're adding 5 multiples of 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18 plus 50 is 68. Very good. It's important to remember. We've done missing numbers before. It's important to remember that we do different things depending on which number is missing in our missing number sum. In this case, since we know that we are adding and taking away multiples of 10, we need to see if the missing number is a multiple of 10 or not. If the missing numbers are right on top of each other, we know that the missing number is a multiple of 10. If we have a multiple of 10, then to find the answer, we need to go up the number square. This is very easy to get confused. So make sure that you practice. Let's try a few more. 10 plus something is 62. Write it on your whiteboard. So, what do we need to do to work out the answer to this? Are 10 and 62 right under each other on the number square? No, they're not. 10 is there, 62 is there. So now we know that the missing number is not a multiple of 10. Do we have a multiple of 10 in the sum as given? Yes, we do. So, mark the 62 on your number square. And now we're moving up the number square. How many spaces? That's right, there's only one 10, so we move up one space. From 62 to 52. 10 plus 52 is 62. Did you get that one? Some of you did, some of you didn't. That's all right. Try this sum. Something plus 27 is 47. Write it on your whiteboard. Good. Now, are the given numbers right underneath each other on the number square? Yes, they are. 27 is there. 47 is there. So, we know that the missing number is a multiple of 10. Which multiple of 10 is it? We start by marking 27 and 47 on our number square. Now, we count in multiples of 10 from 27 to 47. 10, 20. 27 plus 20 is 47. Did you manage that one? Some of you did. All right, some of you are still confused. Let's do another one. Write this sum on your number square. Something plus 50 is 78. All right? How do you work it out? Very good. 50 and 78 are not right under each other. So we know that the missing number is not a multiple of 10. Very good, very good. We're going to mark the 78. And then what? Yes, we're going to move up the number square. How many spaces? 5 spaces, because we have 5 multiples of 10. Go ahead and do that. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 28 plus 50 is 78. Good! A lot more of you managed it this time. Excellent. Let's try one more. 46 something is 76? Write it on your whiteboard. Good. Now, how would you work that sum out? Very good. You've noticed that 46 and 76 are right under each other on the number square. So that means that the missing number is a multiple of 10. Yes, very good. We mark the 46 and the 76 on the number square. Good. Very good. Count in multiples of 10 from 46 to 76. Excellent. 10, 20, 30. 46 plus 30 is 76. Very well done, Space Cadets. I shall be sure to pass along to Commander P how excellently you are doing. She will be very impressed.
Captain K, that was so good, it was even out of this world. Well done.